The 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE include innovative state-of-the-art features that enhance the overall riding experience. 3 of these are blind spot detection, vehicle hold assist, and emergency stop signal. This is how they function. There are 2 radar units on the 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE, one forward and one rearward facing. It is the rearward unit that offers the blind spot detection or BSD feature. To activate BSD, press the arrow switch on the left handlebar. Then go to Vehicle Settings by scrolling through the menu with the Mode Down button. In the Vehicle Settings menu, scroll down again to find Blind Spot Detection. Press the arrow once more to activate or deactivate BSD. If it is switched off, a BSD off warning will show in the TFT meter display. Like forward collision warning, BSD is only an advisory function. It does not change the speed or direction of the motorcycle. Its function is to inform the rider of the presence of a vehicle or object in the rear 3/4 area adjacent to the machine, commonly referred to as the blind spot. Detection is both to the left and right rear of the machine, and the presence of a vehicle or object in the detection zone is via an orange illuminated warning light integrated into the left and right rear view mirrors. If a vehicle or object is detected while the rider is using the direction indicator to change lane or road position, the BSD warning light flashes. At other times it remains constantly illuminated for the period that the vehicle or object is within the detection zone. Pulling away, especially uphill with a passenger and luggage, is made more convenient via the useful Vehicle Hold Assist feature, which functions between a flat road surface and up to 30 degrees of incline. Vehicle Hold Assist is a standard feature on the 2022 Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE and does not have to be selected on the function menu. It is automatically available for the rider to activate when required. To operate Vehicle Hold Assist, the rider presses the rear brake pedal or holds the front brake lever strongly for a few seconds until the Vehicle Hold Assist indicator light illuminates in the meter panel. The rider can then release the brakes and the motorcycle is held in place by Vehicle Hold Assist. It automatically disengages as the rider pulls away. Disengagement of Vehicle Hold Assist is also possible if the front brake lever is pulled and released within a second or the side stand is deployed. Another great feature is the emergency stop signal. This is an automatic feature that does not require any rider intervention and acts as a warning of rapid deceleration and hard braking. Upon rapid deceleration, ESS causes the brake light to flash or pulse, acting as a visual sign to following traffic. Under normal braking or deceleration, the rear brake light simply illuminates and does not pulse or flash. That is the end of our quick blind spot detection, vehicle hold assist, and emergency stop signal tutorial video. And we hope that you found it useful. Look at the links below in the description for more information on BSD, VHA, and ESS, plus other feature videos explaining more about the technical features of our most advanced sports tourer ever.